welcome at Flower Factor. Today I'm going to show you a bouquet with this Dianthus. We have 4 nice varieties. I'm going to make a frame with this dried gourds. So I'm going to start off with drilling some holes in the edges. I'm going to connect them with this rustic wire. So now I've connected them all together. So it's a really nice structure. So I'm going to drill some holes to put in some sticks as the handle for the bouquet. So now we can place in our beautiful carnations. And I also have these lotus seed pots, and I think they are really nice with the frame because they have the same shape. As a detail, I have these acorn caps and I put them on a stick. And again, we are repeating the shape in the details. So this one is ready. So now I'm going to show you a little version. So this is a nice idea for small gifts. I hope you got inspired. See you next time at Flower Factor.